What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to segment your contacts using an and or statement. Let's check it out. On our dashboard, we're going to go over to the text words page. We're going to find the list that we want to segment contacts by. On the right side, we're going to click on Options and Segments. On the next page here, go ahead and tap the green button that says Create a New Segment. So on the segmenting page here, we're going to do an and statement. All right, we'll say and statement for Buffalo and Jamestown. All right, from the dimension, we'll say city is, and we're going to say Jamestown. We're going to do an and statement just to show you what it looks like. If you try to do city, right, because we only have one city field, and you try to say, well, get me anybody who has Jamestown on file and Buffalo on file, that's going to bring back a negated value, all right, 0 contacts. But watch, when you do it the other way around and you use an or statement, it's going to bring back 2 because we have 2 contacts according to our contacts page here, 1 for Jamestown and 1 for Buffalo. All right, so we create these segments. We're going to say, and city is Buffalo. When you click out of there, 2 contacts are going to be in that segment. All right, now that we have our segment created, we can go ahead and hit save, and we're ready to send a message. On the send a message page, you can go ahead and give us a name, select the mailing list that you want to send to, then select your segment. There's a segment I just created, and statement for Buffalo and Jamestown, 2 contacts. Paste your message in, and then go ahead and hit send. There's my message. Just so you're aware, on the Sent Campaigns page, you will see the difference between sending to an entire list or a segment. All right, if we scroll down here a little bit, you'll see this message was sent to an entire list, and this message here was sent to a segment, so you guys know. So that's how you segment using our and or statements here at SlickText. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you soon.